Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of SAP Business One Tips and Tricks with Mitul Mehta on my YouTube channel. In today's short video, we are going to talk about one of the most important and often misunderstood topics here, credit notes in SAP Business One. Most users already know how to create a credit note, but the real question is, do you know how it is impact your sales analysis report, gross profit, and financial statement? Because end of the day, it's not about creating a document, but it's about ensuring your sales data, revenue figures, and margin reflect the true business situation. That's why in this video, I will walk you through two practical scenarios that every business one user and consultant should understand clearly. My first video is about simple scenario is simple with one-on-one full return quantity where all sold quantity are returned. My second covers a price different cases where the quantity remains but the price changes. And remember, there are other advanced cases too, such as what happens after payment is already received and how to manage price increase using debit note with we will cover in the next video. So let's start with the fundamentals that directly influence your financial accuracy and your sales analysis reports. So I will start with completely standalone ER invoice. I will choose one of the zero balance customers. I will check with you. I will pick up a item. I will pick 5 quantity with 300 pound. I will check if stock is available or not. Control plus tab. So in this item, it has sufficient with 472. So we can good with it and we can add it up. Now if you can check with this customer, it has outstanding like 1800, you can see. So right now if you can pay full amount as 1800, but with uh, we can go with one-on-one scenario with 5 out of 5 quantity. There are two options, AR request and AR credit note. I can choose as AR credit memo. Right now there are 5 quantities and we can go back in AR credit note. We can check its general entry, so we can see there is reflection as sales revenue domestic should be debit now. Now we can create a complete 1 out of 1 quantity. Add yes. So in this scenario, there is no need to create incoming payment. Let's check if there is an incoming payment, but SAP includes ER invoice minus credit note. If there is a 1 out of 1, then it should be not necessary to create incoming payment. Let's check. See, there is no incoming ER invoice or any pending document to get paid or received. So now we can check with the sales analysis report modules, sales report, sales analysis. I can choose that this is posting current date. It's fine. So sandbox one, sandbox one. I can choose. Okay. AR invoice, total invoice, total open invoice 0 because we already return this item to this customer, right? This is the impact. So there is pure sale is 0, 0 quantity for 0 basic value. SAP only includes basic value. If you can see in your AR invoice, this only 1500, and if in with tax value or any freight value, SAP not include this value. As you can see, only 1500. So keeping in your mind, as in sales report, a sales analysis report, SAP include only base value like quantity into price, right? Now go back and create another scenario with the price different. I will choose the same one, same one, 5 quantity. Okay. Now let's some good twist. What if quantities should be written with part? Part means with this invoice I create with 5 quantity. But what if I create with 3 or 2 quantity? Let's check it with also. So I can explain you on that point of also. Quantity should be fine. So there are 3 scenarios include part, full, and price different. Now you can check this uh, same value with 1800 and now with the same price but half quantity. Copy here credit memo. If you go back and check your journal entry, see only this amount 900 for 3 quantity. So it covers only basic value. Now here credit note form reflect with this applied amount 1080. It should be in your base document for applied amount, and this is the one year invoice as a base document. So your balance due is 720. If you go back in incoming payment, so we can see only 720. Before then, I can check with you as sales analysis report. So this is your pure sale. Today we already create 2 document also. So just consider is you can consider 66 and 86. So your pure sale should be only 600, right? Credit note we created with this one. With so we only get a receipt with only 2 quantity for this particular invoices, and we can just create a single incoming with balance due, banking, incoming payment, and so there are there is remains balance 720, as I already showed you in your invoice. 720 applied amount 1080, that is already aligned with your credit note. So we only get received 720 for this customer, right? Right click, payment means control B. So now in this scenario with this particular customer, there is no outstanding or any pending transaction for it, and that's it for the particular two scenario, one-on-one and some part quantity return. Now there is another scenario with price different, right? So with price different, in this case, your customer keeps all your 5 units, but the price changed later. Maybe some discount was agreed after a sales, or wrong price was applied in the invoice. So if your price decrease, issue a credit note for a difference only. So I will check with you in completely stand alone year invoice. I will go and create your invoice. I will pick a new customer as sandbox 2. I will choose any of your, okay, this is the one. Let's change with this today's date. Quantity should be 5 and year invoice. This completely year invoice. Add. Now you can check with, right now it's completely outstanding as 1350. If you check and see account balance 1350 pound. Now I will make a year credit note without affecting inventory, but I need to decrease minus 25. So after this credit note, it's like 200 into 5 is equal to your total before discount should be only 1000. Copy your credit note, and there is a checkbox like, where is the checkbox? Yes, that is it. And I just decrease with 25. So 25 is equal to 125, right? So now AR invoice was created with 1315 minus 150. So I can calculate with is with tax, and so 1200. We can check there is journal entry. So there is no inventory affected with this particular scenario if price is different. I will show you. So if you can see, when I click without quantity posting, journal entry has no inventory impact, but there is also without check, and we can see already shown in last document as basic value 300 into 3 is equal 900. Okay. Now we can check that sales analysis report, sandbox 2, Sandbox 2 with the same date. So we can say 1000 is your pure sale without tax or any additional expenses like freight or any packing charges or any insurance charges. So with this particular year invoice with the customer, you get received 1000 completely. So now go back with the same customer on incoming payment. You can get the same remain price should be there. Incoming payment, incoming. See, no need for cash discount for now. 1200. This is including tax. When you are going to paid with incoming payment, as you can see, applied amount 1200. Applied amount 1200 in this incoming payment. Incoming payment, as you can see, right? Control B, okay, and add. Now you can check there is no outstanding or any remain balance for this particular customer, right? So quick recap: credit note for return or price decrease, and another debit note of price increase that should be in my second video. So this keeps your sales analysis and customer balance accurate without manual general corrections. There are so much benefits with this right documentation with a complete transaction. Keeps your sales inventory and finance aligned. Also ensure your tax and audit compliance. There is much benefit for avoid manual journal entries. Also keeps customer statement and reports clean. So that's it for today. Two essential credit note scenarios in SAP Business One, and one of the most underrated but powerful features, the ability to create a credit note without stock posting for financial, only for adjustment. In my next video, we will go deeper into advanced cases like what happened after payment and how to handle price increase using debit notes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more weekly SAP Business One videos covering SQL, HANA and Crystal Report. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tip. Have a happy weekend and bye.